Trader Zelman here, July 30th, 2018. Going to report on ticker symbol CELZ. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit the site www.thetradingteacher.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Reporting on CELZ. Yesterday in our previous recording, we stated that there's a hammer here. It looks like there's a support. Friday after the close, we stated there's a hammer over here that's support. See it bounce off these lows. You notice how it went down to this trend line, this uptrend, bounced off it, stood above support. Also again here stood above support. Even though this is a red bar, I don't like red bars too much, but we see the MAC histogram turning over, trying to go positive. This does look good for it. You want to pay attention to this downtrend line as it heads higher. If it breaks through, she can break through these resistance levels. But let's look out for that and see what happens moving forward. Once again, this is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit the site, thetradingteacher.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.